How are you, learners? So today in this video we're going to be solving this question 21 with part A, which has got 1 mark, a part 2 which has got 1 mark as well, a part 3 which is 1 mark, and part B which has got 3 marks. And this is question number 21 from June 2024 paper 1. So starting off with the first one, we are supposed to evaluate 2 index 3 plus 2 index 2 and it has got 1 mark. And when a question has got 1 mark, you're not supposed to spend more than 20 seconds. That is what I always tell my learners. So we're going to do that. So 2 index 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be added to 2 index 2, which is going to be 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Then you put a plus. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 8 plus 4, the answer is going to be 12. So you're going to have to put 12 right there on the answer section. Now moving on to part 2, we have negative 7x index 2 or index 0. And remember, any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And on this question, we have to be careful of this negative sign. Why? Because it is outside of the brackets. So we're going to deal with the brackets first. And 7x index 2 or index 0 is equal to 1. Why? Because any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So the answer there is equal to 1. Then we put the negative sign. So the answer is going to be negative 1. On part 3, we have got 2 index 3 or index negative 2/3. So we're going to start by simplifying what is in the brackets first. So 2 index 3 is equal to 8. So we're going to end up having 8 index negative 2 over 3. And to remove this negative, we are going to say 1 over 8 index 2 over 3. And this is going to be simplified to 1 over cube root of 8 index 2. So let me just rub this off so that there is going to be more space. So we're going to simplify to 1 over the cube root of 8. We are just trying to say a number we have to multiply 3 times to get 8, and that number is equal to 2. So we're going to put 2, then we square 2. So 1 over 2 index 2 or 1 over 2 squared is equal to 4. Now moving on to part B, we are supposed to solve the equation 3 index x times 3 index 2x is equal to 27. And right here we can see that we are multiplying indices with the same base. And we know that when we are multiplying indices with the same base, we are supposed to be adding the indices. So we are going to work it like this. We're going to say 3 index x plus 2x is equal to 27. And we're going to further simplify to x plus 2x, we're going to get 3x. So 3 index 3x is equal to 27. And we need to make these bases the same. So in other words, we're going to express 27 in terms of 3, which is going to be 3 index 3. And here we've got 3 index 3x. And when we reach this stage, we are going to drop the bases and we'll be left with 3x is equal to 3. So 3x is equal to 3. Then you divide all of the sides by 3 because we are solving for x. So the final answer is x is equal to 1. So that will be the final answer, and that is how you got those 3 marks. And till we meet again on the next video.